Hey Wagwan family, hope everyone's doing well. So welcome back to the channel. So we're just at Tulum Beach Bar. Just going to take a little walk along the beach and show you guys what there is to offer. So let's see Wagwan. Hope everyone is doing it really well. Look at that water, absolutely crazy. Everyone's just left their flippy floppies. I'm going to be brave and leave mine and hope that no one's going to steal some old cappers. Show you guys the water. Really, really pretty. And that's where I've just come from. That's Tulum Beach Bar. And we're going to take a walk along the beach. See what there is to offer. So yeah, this is Faliraki Rhodes. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hope everyone is good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, everything. You know, ring the bell. All helps the channel. And if you are new, we like to go to different destinations and we'll show you prices from like drinks to food to beach bars to nightlife, taxis, everything in between. So when you're coming away, you can make a good decision on is this the place for you, whether you've got the budget or not. Because we all want a bit of this in our lives. And if you don't, then probably ain't the channel for you then, is it? So yeah, comment below if you've ever done Rhodes, if you're a fan of the Greek islands. This is our second Greek island. We've done Zante. Do check those out, they're on the channel already. Been there a few times. And a couple are now on the channel. But yeah, first time in Faliraki. We did used to watch the show. I am talking out because obviously we're at the beach and the waves. Many years ago, so a lot of people might not remember. There was a UK show and it was like TV reps coming out of Faliraki, and it would show you their sort of shenanigans and what it was like. So years later, to be out here does feel quite surreal and also quite nostalgic as well. I remember speaking to my friend from school and we used to be on the phone. This is when you used to have those handset phones, not mobiles, and we'd be on the phone talking whilst the show was on, talking about how we want to be holiday wrecked and what we'd get up to if we went to Faliraki. So it's quite nice all these years later to be here and to let you guys know, is Faliraki the place to be? Is it worth all these years later finally getting out here? I think it is. Has it changed? Do comment below if you have been here in its prime, which would have been, I want to say like 90s. Is it a destination you keep coming back to? What do you remember? What sort of the differences now? Has it become more like a family resort? Prices gone up, down? Quality, food, everything and anything. I would love to know. It really would pique my interest. So yeah, do put anything below and we'll try and get back to you. So yeah, Faliraki. So yesterday we took a beach walk around that other side of this beach. Just around there, see that little, probably can't because this one doesn't zoom in, but we went to like where the little port bit is where you get your boats and do all your excursions on boat trips and everything. Yeah, that was really nice. And this today we've gone the other side. Nice beach bars. Price wise at the moment, the place we're in, Tulum Beach Bar, €7 for a Prosecco. I think average price for your local beers sort of between 5 and 6. Cocktails at that one were 13 to 14, which, you know, I don't think is too bad. Sort of average prices for the UK, but we have seen cocktails that were cheaper. I am going to go out tonight and do a little bit of a kind of let's see how much, sort of like €40 will get you on a night out going down Bar Street, if it will get me anywhere, just so you guys can see what it is if you are on an absolute, you know, budget, can you do it? lots of places you can check out itinerary videos. That's still for me probably like the cheapest in Europe in terms of bargains. It might be a little bit pricier to get to, especially this time of year in accommodation, but the food and the drinks are really, really cheap. And I find at the moment, again, only been here a couple of days, that it's just slightly more than Zante. I haven't done any of the other islands, obviously. I'm expecting like places like Santorini and Mykonos to be probably the more expensive ones, because they are the kind of it places. Are they still the it places though? Are they the sort of, what do you call it, the fashionable places to go? So those islands are on our list, but at the moment this is where we are. Weather is lovely and the breeze today is a lot cooler. Yesterday it was so hot. The breeze was just like a warm oven, so not really a breeze. Have been bitten. Mosquito update. The bites are biting. I have brought, I'm not going to say the brand, but a branded repellent which is not repelling. So don't waste your money. Do comment below if you have found something that is like a absolute guarantee you don't get bitten. I will happily try it. But for now, the one I have is a fail. Epic. So yeah. Hello. So yeah, at the moment the mosquitoes are biting. But I'm not going to let it ruin my holiday. It's just a part of life. Yeah, if you can't believe you never get bitten, because lucky you. The ND is not a thing, I promise. Just fascinated. So right, coming to like a load of boats here. So you can rent the Olympic, very well named for where we are. No drive license, there we go, so you don't need a driving license, you can just literally take it out as it is. And then you've got your water sports, so you've got like the aqua, what is this one? Like the ones you basically get swung around like a lunatic and hold on for dear life. But they do look really fun. And then you've got your like jet ski and your pedals. I got a unicorn and all the fun stuff. Right, I'm going to spin round at this point. So the beach just goes, as you can see, further up. And I'm going to do a video going the other side. So I'm going to head back to Tulum, the beach bar. My trousers are drenched, but it's hot, so I think it will definitely dry. And then you can see it goes like all the way around. Show you guys, hopefully you can see that clearly. The sand feels so nice and soft though, really nice and soft. We actually found a pool bar yesterday that was really cheap for the drinks. And oddly, we were speaking to a guy, so he's here for the summer, I think he's helping out his family, so it's like a family bar. But he's from UK, I think he says like Reading area, and he was telling me that his job is to cure cancer. Might have been lying, don't know. And they managed to cure melanin? No, hang on. I'm going to say skin cancer. So that's real positive, and now they're working on eye cancer. So it's always good to hear positive and that people are sort of changing the world for the better and, you know, doing really good things with their research and putting those brains to good use. So what a fantastic and interesting guy. And yeah, really positive. It's one of those things that I think we can all relate to. So to have someone giving a little bit of a positive light on a negative subject is always good. And in the summer he's serving drinks to lovely holiday guests, keeping them entertained. And that's at Antonio pool bar. And that's on the sort of one of the main roads in Faliraki. So do check that out if you're in the area, do come into the island. or comment below if you stayed at the hotel. Yeah, really nice and very affordable. Probably the cheapest drinks we found as of yet. I say as of yet because the day is young. I'm literally sinking into the sand. My trousers are drenched. I'll show you guys. Well, they're waiting for me at Tulum Beach Bar, so heading back there. A little bit deeper, the ocean here. Deeper, all oceans are deep, but compared to, again, if you watch our family videos, it's like a really long descent into the water before it actually gets deep. This one seems a little bit more shallow, and then normal sort of goes deep, as you can see. Some stairs randomly, like in the ocean. They're probably used to get off the boats and stuff. But they kind of just seem like they're thumped there, and it's like, where are you going? Where are you walking to? Maybe it's a little workout. Maybe I'm being stupid. Just maybe. Ooh, a little pebbly along here. Right, let's pray my shoes are still there. Just realised I left my flip-flops as well. Christ, I could be shoeless. She could be shoeless. Again, I don't think anyone wants to nick second-hand flip-flops. It's not really the rage, is it? Or is it? Comment below, what's the strangest thing you've had stolen whilst on holiday? Because, you know, the normal typical things is obviously electronicals, your wallet, I don't know, maybe handbag. But has anyone had like anything random, like a t-shirt, or someone taking your like beach towel, or I don't know, something just really like you wouldn't think anyone would care about, but for some reason it's gone. Nice little lilos out there. Little restaurant there, and then in the background you can see Tulum Beach Bar, and I think hopefully my shoes are still there. Oh, I don't know, those people are waving at me. If I wave at them, they're probably not, because I don't know them. I'm going to put the camera down because I don't want to disrespect anyone's privacy. I see them, I think. Oh no, don't I? Oh fuck. Sorry. Might have to bleep that bit out. Oh, my shoe's down there. Didn't realise I'd walked a little bit further. Someone's made a nice little... Oh my god. Oh, the waves are actually quite strong. Oh. So yeah, my legs are now completely drenched. But it's also quite refreshing, so I'm not going to complain. The shoes are still chilling. Okay, so no one nicked them. Feel safe. I'm actually just going to let some of this water get that sand off me. Right, I'm going to end the video here. The gorgeous Faliraki. Hope everyone is doing well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, everything in between, and I'll see you on the next one.